Hello again, DSST. This is Mr. Sandblum. Once again, I'm here to walk you through our direct instruction today around habits of discussion. So you can see the picture of myself and my family. We are going to start with what it looks like to have discussion, and I know a lot of you know this as accountable talk in terms of your like in-class discussions, but things are going to look a little bit different as we get into eSchool and how we discuss things. So I think it's really important that we have like a foundational understanding of habits of discussion so that we can have meaningful discussion and respectful discussion within our classes. So when you think about this, you might think of the phrase of how you agree or disagree with a peer in class. That is an example of habits of discussion. Habits of discussion are important because they are driven towards content and not just saying like general broad statements, but are targeted towards an individual's response or the content within the response. They also allow you to approach the content in a respectful way or approach the feedback that you are going to give or the discussion you're going to have with a peer in a respectful way so that the point that you're trying to make is made in the most effective and straightforward way. So if you look through the different options, right, this is all ways that you will potentially interact with your peers, both if you are in person in school or in eSchool. So I want you to first look at the language objectives to think about what you're trying to do. Are you trying to inquire? Are you trying to test? Are you trying to describe? Are you trying to explain, to analyze, so on and so forth? And then in order to do that, you can see the sentence stems on the right column. These are examples of sentence stems you might use. So please look through this document and have a solid understanding of the language objectives, what that looks like, and then the sentence stems, what it sounds like on the right side, because in a minute here we are going to engage in a discussion with our peers, and I encourage you to leave this open and have access to it as we get into our discussion. Thank you.